In problem three, we've got a ball. Oh, problem three. We've got a ball with a mass is 0.372 kilos. We have its an initial velocity in y is 23.2 meters per second. If you throw it straight up, it's only in y, and its final velocity is 17.1 meters per second. All right, and so here's its initial velocity, and here's its final velocity. How much work does air resistance do on the ball? Well, the ball starts out and ends up in the same place. So we know that the change in potential energy is zero because um, uh, that is simply it starts out in the same place, comes back to the same place. I mean, it starts and stops in the same place. It's at the same potential for both. So this only involves kinetic energy, right? And so what's the change in kinetic energy? Well, one half mass times v final squared minus one half of the mass times v initial squared. That's the change in kinetic energy, right? And so um, this is going to give us um, this is going to give us in this over here in this equation, right? The work done by non-conservative forces, right? The work done by non-conservative forces in this case is not zero, and so it's going to end up being negative. And I believe that's how I put it in Canvas, right? And so you've just got to calculate kinetic energy final minus kinetic energy initial. That gives you the work done on the ball by air as it went up and down. And that's it for problem three.